What are you guys doing? Where are you at? What is that? Highlands at Stonegate. What is that?
Highlands is the neighborhood and the Stonegate is the community.
Elizabeth, what is Highlands at Stonegate? How is that significant to us?
I don't know. But because we live in the Heights.
And there's Pepper.
And our building is like, yeah, that's our building right there.
Yeah, we're on the other side though. Okay.
And
Unit number 204. All right, let's do a quick pan around.
And
Looks like they're building some new ones. Some apartments over
our
there.
school is a little down there. A little ways down there.
There's a big church over there. And
These little subdivisions down there.
street sign right there. Pearl Circle.